that teamwork.
Get out! You told me. Maybe let's do that wheelbarrow because it's easier to carry. Yeah, do the big one. Thank you.
And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move. You make me move.
Who likes donuts? Nobody?
I like. Good spot. Okay, stop. Now everyone come over this side. Start to pick it up. Okay. Let all this stuff comes off. Henry's like this. Joseph is supposed to turn around. It's the other way. It's the other way. So the pointy side is going to face up. Which way is the pointy side going to face? Up. Very good. All right, so I'm going to give you guys each a clove. And then what we're going to do is we're going to plant it